Today, we're diving into a common concern among EV owners. How do you protect your EV charging cable from theft? Stick around as we share practical tips and strategies to keep your charging cable safe at home and when charging in public. EV charging cables are being targeted by thieves selling the copper content for scrap or listing the cables on the second-hand market through platforms such as eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Electric car manufacturers are aware of the risk of charging cable theft, and most EVs have lock-in mechanisms to secure the charging cable while the vehicle is charging unattended. However, these mechanisms are not always foolproof, so EV owners are searching for extra ways to ensure their charging cables are not stolen. Charging your electric vehicle using a public charging point makes you more susceptible to charging cable theft, as your cable is more visible to prying eyes. Here are some tips to prevent your cable from being stolen when using a public charging point. First up, it might sound like common sense, but it's crucial. Never leave your car unattended when charging in public. Stay nearby and keep a watchful eye on your vehicle and charging cable. Here's a simple yet effective solution. You can use a regular padlock. Many EVs have loops designed for this purpose. Alternatively, loop the cable through a wheel's spokes and secure it with a padlock. Consider installing a dashcam. While it won't prevent theft, it can act as a deterrent. Some models have a parking mode feature that records when motion is detected, potentially providing valuable evidence if a theft occurs. Charging your electric car at home is a fantastic way to reduce the chances of your charging cable getting stolen. However, it's not a guaranteed solution, so consider following these additional tips to provide even more security for your electric car charging cable. Charging your electric vehicle in a garage is an excellent option for added security. It keeps your car and charging cable out of sight from potential thieves. But just remember, you'll need a dedicated home electric car charger installed in or near to your garage for this setup. If you don't have a garage, parking your electric vehicle away from the street view is a smart move. This makes it harder for thieves to spot your vehicle and its charging cable. Opt for well-lit areas for an extra layer of security, as this can deter thieves as they are more likely to be noticed by passers-by or caught on camera. Consider installing CCTV cameras for added peace of mind. A visible camera can deter potential thieves, and if an incident occurs, the footage can be crucial for law enforcement and insurance claims. Choose a tethered home EV charger for added security. The cable is permanently attached to the charging unit, making it more challenging for thieves to remove. Alternatively, invest in a smart socketed charger with a cable locking system. Some socketed EV chargers, like the Easy One, can lock your charging cable into the unit using a smartphone app, making it hard for thieves to steal. You can then unlock, remove and store the cable safely when not in use. This adds extra protection against theft. And here's a tip to avoid. While some suggest parking your electric vehicle on top of a charging cable can prevent theft, it's not recommended. Doing so can seriously damage your charging cable. Protecting your EV charging cable from theft is essential for all electric vehicle owners. By following these simple tips, you can significantly reduce the risk and enjoy peace of mind during your charging sessions. If you're looking to get an EV charger installed at your home, we're here to help. We supply and install a wide range of the best home EV chargers on the market. Call us now or click the first link in the description to visit our website. See you in the next video.